Hi guys, good evening. Now, just show to everyone how do we are doing party with my family, with my wife and me and my daughter. This is now going on making the chicken pakoda, and there is another. There is have to be the rest of the chicken. We will be making the chicken kosa, and here is my wife just a few minutes before telling me why you are not standing with me, why you are not supporting me in kitchen. That's regarding I am not interested in making foods alone. So even my daughter also playing with there and always calling to mommy. If mommy are not in front of her, then she is crying. So that I am also come to kitchen with my daughter, and I with me my daughter, and there is my wife and my daughter. She is doing making the pakoda, and we will doing party just because of actually today is Friday. Even my wife is Thursday and Wednesday didn't take because she is doing God Ganesh Puja and God Lakshmi Puja. So today is the time to taking, and even tomorrow also we didn't take because my wife also doing the Shanidev puja, so that tomorrow also not happen. It will going to day after tomorrow we will be taking in Sunday. And here is my daughter. My daughter also trying to learn and listening the words. That's why I am making started a video channel, so that my daughter can be listening power is improvement, and my daughter can be easily understand the everything which is I am learning the English and understanding the English in after 30. I means after in 30. So that's my I don't want to my daughter also getting struggle and suffer to learn this language. So I want to she can understand from beginning and she can understand from the starting. So that's I am making this channel, and I will upload it always the videos. Even I am making the Instagram channel, and there is I have lot of video uploaded there also, but not getting the much more follower. But yeah, I have the confidence and belief to myself. If I doing regularly and uploaded the video in the Instagram reels, then it will be making one day it will be gain the followers, and it will be getting the viewers, and that's why we are doing there also. And for now I am just little bit push the video here, and after making the chicken pakoda, and that is when it come to plate, I will be making another resume the video, and just few second I am push the video. Okay, now ready the pakoda, and we started to eat it up. And my daughter has to be disturbing us during when we are taking it, so that my daughter we are sending to neighborhoods for sometimes playing with her. And now the Disha has come and take to her to went to their home, and just we are taking it. After it I will going to make for chicken kosa, and my wife is going to for eating the my daughter. Both are work are divided. After I eating, I showing to you how do I making the chicken kosa. So just for I post the video. Okay, now the kosa is started, and I already the chicken marinade has to be done, and with the onion I have did here given to here, given all sauce and ingredients I already given here. And now just a little bit steam for hot to the oil, and now I pushing the video. After few seconds I will resume it and show to you all. Yes, the chicken I already given here, and actually first time I making the long video. It's actually I am making the short video always, and all short video is posted in Instagram. As a learner, I am nowadays I am learning only because I don't have the fluent English. That's why I learning it. But only English it not to be happen to possible to saying and without any topic. That's why I making this with my household work, with office work, and with included the these things. So that's why I making to this all video, and after it happening I will show you again. It's going on. It's will taking 5 to 10 minutes. I have already given to all ingredients, and just show you all. Now few minutes ago before we have come a ghost to our home, so I finding the ghost is not now here. Here my daughter and my wife is sitting there, but the ghost one is not here. Maybe he is going to his house. After few minutes he will come back again with cover of a scarf, ladies scarf. See, he has covered a lady's cap. The ghost is wearing the ladies ornaments. So we are waiting to him. After he is coming, I will show you all. Let's show to you all. The ghost is once again come, and now going to finding the ghost. Maybe the ghost is outside in the home, and my daughter is watching the ghost because she has liked the ghost, so that's I now definitely finding the ghost, and just let's go for finding the ghost here. If ghost is here in stairs, not right stairs are not, left stairs are not. Maybe in this house the ghost is inside the. Yes, inside the ghost is here. Here is the ghost. Hello guys, please look the ghost. Ghost is wearing a lady's scarf, and the ghost is male ghost, but he want to become a lady, so that's the ghost is hiding there. See the ghost, I don't know how to I define to him. The ghost is definitely a male ghost, but he is want to female. So how do I define? I could not be understand. But we just concentrate the cooking, not to the other matter. Looking the how much it's have to be done. Just wait, I show to you all, because during this time we have to most important to our cooking. Cooking just going on. This is going on, not happen properly. It's on the way, and so that we talk to each other. We just because of that are going to happen. Maybe it's going to taking much more time. So if anybody also using the Instagram, then please follow me. I teaching to there the medical equipments, medical accessories, even the human anatomy, including the my daily lives, which is cover of the 30 second. I will making everything. Even my daughter is once again come back here, so I all to see her crying face. She is crying here. When I saw to all of you, she is feeling shameless and stopping the crying. So all of you looking to her, and she is now smiling just because of camera. She cannot be she cannot be crying in front of camera, and that's why she is doing those alls. And now concentrate the our chicken kasa. After chicken kasa happening, we will be taking it. I actually nowadays I doing the dieting, that's why I not getting the much more rice and bread like that. Nowadays I taking just little bit all things, but my wife didn't take several days in the week. That's why we are making today chicken pakoda and chicken kasa. And just a little bit I sharing you all and talking with you all. Actually, uh, I what telling today, I actually telling to you about the today cases. Today I am today I am doing in our hospital two cases. Actually, multiple cases in our hospital, but I join only two cases. Two cases each. First one is the lap chole and second one is the appendix. But actually I am neurosurgeon assistant, that's why I don't have to be involved those all things. But nowadays the neurosurgeon are not available in our hospital. She is resigned from our hospital. Maybe a new doctor will be come in September. That's why I am just free nowadays. I am not happen to be attend any case. That's why I am free. So I attending the lap chole, live laparoscopy cases, general surgery and appendix. These all things just because of increasing my knowledge. Even tomorrow also morning have a corip in ortho cases. I will be join those. I will be join that cases also. Not only administrative work in my hospital, I have to be join multiple things under mind. So I will be do the all things, but surgery also very main, most of the important part in our hospital. I am busy a little bit in doing two administrative work, but after all I am getting to free, and whenever I am free I will be definitely going to join the surgery. And surgery also a very practical things. Whenever you are doing the again and again multiple surgery, then that time you have to be automatically coming to be touches the instrument. You are always touching instrument and you are always connected with the instrument. Then you have to be build a muscle memory. If you are getting the improvement muscle memory, then you could be remind the all stages of procedure of surgery. If you are reminding the procedure and process of the surgery, then you could be definitely a good assistant in future, and every surgeon will be like you. Even the surgeon will be maybe become a fresher, but you are always a experiencer, so that all surgeon will be taking the advice from you. So concentration on your work. And just I showing to you all the ghost are coming, and the ghost is sitting is there, and the ghost is very beautiful ghost. She has to be maybe a handsome ghost. So I will show you all. The ghost is going to home. He is a very good ghost. The ghost is playing my daughter whenever he has the free time. He had not be going to the school. He is making the time for my baby, my daughter, and I am also happy with him. And just because of few minutes before, my wife has to be little bit ragging to him. That's why he is not coming to our home. Neither he is always in our house with playing my daughter and always living in our house. He's a good guy. But now, today he is acting like a ghost. So we are commenting him and kidding to him, joking with him. And I will show you after happening the kosa. Just a little bit I watch here. So starting the planning for actually overall the kosa is happened. So now we are starting the our dinner, and let's see how do we are arrangement to taking the lunch. Sorry, dinner. Actually, I am sometimes forget what actually call to both of things. Actually, it's not because it not have to be habitual. It have to be I doing to by manually, so that it happening the multiple wrong. I will be practicing it. One day I will be definitely get this achievement. Due to dieting, my dinner quantity is very low, and this is my wife has to be served me, and now I started the eating, and it going on. I eating much more in here, and my wife also sitting behind me, near about me. I am asking to her what she is reply, please. So do. How are its taste?
Super.
Actually, today I am cooking it. My wife also helping me for the given ingredients because of sometimes ingredient maybe measurement is wrong by me, so that maximum ingredients given by my wife. And now both are we at dinner because my daughter has to be going to our neighborhoods, so there few minutes we have to given to the relaxation, so that we are eating now. After she is coming, then we cannot be do our dinner. Now I finish the dinner. It was very tasty, and my wife also told it is very tasty. It cannot be getting like the similar taste if we are going to any restaurant or dhaba. We get it, the more tasted things from the better than them, and we have done it also, and everything are perfect. After few minutes, I am few minutes. I am playing to my daughter, and my wife will be wash the all kitchen kitchen ingredients, because she has told me, even we have distributed our work in our home, so that everything has to be going on by the through our decided things, so she will be do it. For today is the end of the video, and this is now finish. I finish the video. Today is everything going on perfect, and today salary I am just like practice. I am uploading this video. If good response, if I taking good response, and the viewers and the followers is like to it, then I will be definitely make another. If not anybody watch it and not anybody like to it, then I will not post it here ahead. It's at least this video, if it getting at least 500 viewers, then I will be definitely make another one. After 500 video, I will make the next YouTube video. Just today for each the end this video, and goodbye, bye, thank you. If I getting 500 in 1 month, then I will be taking next video. If I getting 2 months, then I will be after 2 months making. If I getting the 2 days, then I will be make the third of the day. Okay, thank you, bye bye to all.